This is exercise 3 for Java object-oriented programming. This is my code. I'm calling the get methods for both constructors. Here's my default constructor, and then here's my default constructor. These are my objects properties, and this is my parameterized constructor. These are my getters and setters. Something really useful in IntelliJ is that you can automatically generate getters and setters based off of your existing object properties. And so I know how to make the getter and setter without doing that, but it just saves a lot of time because it's very like cookie cutter. Like you want getters and setters in every class, but it's stupid to have to like make them every single time. So it's very useful. And yeah, this is concatenating this string with this with the return of this method. So when you get something, it returns it. So yeah, it's concatenating it with the return string int int. And so this is the output. I'll just run it. And so default car model, default car, default model, and then there's the Honda Civic like properties that I set when I created the object. So that's a useful thing about a parameterized constructor is that you can specify you don't specify what the properties are. Like this is specifying what the properties will be, like in terms of data type and name, but this specifies what the properties values will be. So you can give your new object these like the like arguments that you set up in your constructor. And so whenever you enter like any string here, it says this object's like property. This basically means like this dot model name equals the object's model name that will be created will be equal to the string that you put into the argument for model name when you create your object. And if you specify no arguments, then it will default to uh, the no argument constructor. This is my GitHub repository.